National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Champaign County until 2:15 p.m. At 1:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Urbana, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Urbana, Mechanicsburg, Mutual, Cable, Westville, Mingo, Catawba Station, Ken Ard, Lippincott, Terre Haute, and Powhatan. The National Weather Service in Wilmington